Hey, what's up guys, it's Amir from BSG Tech. Today's video is basically a two-part video and I will be showing you two different things. The first one, how to record your screen with full HD option with a built-in screen recorder. The second one, how to add your selfie video within that on-screen recording while you record your gameplay or screen for whatever reason you have. So moving forward, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get all the upcoming notifications directly to your inbox. So let's move forward. First thing you need to do is on your Android smartphone or Android tablet, you have to pull the notification toggle from the top right hand side or top middle side. And as you see this box, you can see a couple of tabs here, a Wi-Fi, mute, Bluetooth, and few other bits and pieces. You have to click on the screen recorder option and hold it for a second. This will take you to this setting page, which shows you different options. First one is no sound. Second one is media sound, which means you can record the gameplay sound while you record a gameplay or any video or anything on screen. Third one is media sound and mic, which means media sound. And if you want to use an external accessory, for example, a third-party mic or a Bluetooth headphones. Second part on this page is basically video quality. It gives you options to record 1080p, 720 and 480. Depending on your manufacturer and phone or tablet model, you will have different kind of options available for this section. Third one is you can increase or decrease the size of your selfie video, as you can see on my screen. So we are done with the first part. So we will start recording the on screen. As you can see that once you hit the record screen or screen recorder option, from the top toggle menu, then you will see these three options: record with without sound, record with the media sound, which is a built-in media sound, for example a video or a game, as I mentioned earlier, record with media sounds, and mic. Then we will click on media sound and mic, since we are not using an external accessory, and we will click on the start recording. Countdown started to 3, and two options appeared, one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side, with the camera blinking within this square box. That means recording is ongoing. So here we have different options. In order to add yourself on screen, you have to click on this human icon, and then your own selfie video will appear, as you can see. And the box size will stay the same as we have selected when we went to change the settings within the screen recording option. The dialog box shows that the recording is ongoing, and if you pull that area, you will clearly see that a red screen recording tab is already there, which is showing the amount of time the screen is recording this video for. So this is how you can record your selfie while you record your screen for gameplay or for any other reason. And as an additional bonus tip, if you see on this menu, you have three tabs actually. The first one is to stop, second one is to enable or disable your selfie tab, and the third one with the pen mark is basically to write something on screen while you record. So once you click on this, you will see these three options: a left arrow and a right arrow and a color tag. If you click on the color tab, you can pick and choose your favorite color in order to write down the notes. For example, we will pick the red one, and here we will type subscribe. And then if you want to erase this or undo, then you can click the left hand side arrow, left arrow, and it will disable that or erase that. So this was a two-part video in which I've shown you that how you can record a video with your own selfie and how you can record a full screen HD video from a built-in screen recorder. In order to stop this, you can click on this button, which will basically save the video, and you will get a notification from the top: video saved in your phone's gallery. Then you can go into the gallery, and here you can see that we have full screen video. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or comments, please share with us, and stay safe. Take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye-bye.